Let's learn about fingers and toes. Fingers and toes. The 5 fingers of a typical human hand are the thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. Human has 10 fingers. One hand has 5 fingers, the other hand has 5 fingers. 5 plus 5 makes 10. The toe refers to a part of the human foot, with 5 toes on each human foot, just like fingers. There is a big toe, index toe, middle toe, fourth toe, little toe. That's a human foot.